Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change your birthday on Skype. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Skype app and tap on your profile to the top left corner and tap on Skype profile and tap on birthday and tap on edit and scroll down, and here you will find the birthday options. All you have to do is just tap on that, and now you can easily change or edit your birthday. And tap on save and then tap on save changes, and that's how we can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.